Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Lightroom photos in the high resolution. If you want to download your photo in the high quality possible, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. Now edit the photo however you like to edit it. Then here you can find the option of share button at the top right corner. Now select it. Then here you can find the option of export as. Go ahead and tap on it. Now there is the image quality option. Simply tap on it. Now choose the 100% and make it the high quality possible. Then simply tap onto the check mark. Now the photo is being exported. Now tap on to save image and your photo will be exported to your gallery. And that's it. This is how you can export Lightroom photos in the high resolution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.